Presenting the 2009 BMW X5. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include storage, cargo tie-down anchors and hooks, power door locks, remote, power outlet, S12V front, roof rails, 18-inch alloy star spoke wheels, rear door type, liftgate, interior monitoring, anti-lift, anti-theft protection, and door handle color, body color. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.